Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm not going to share any recipe, but today I'm going to show you what is currently growing in my garden. So today I harvested this spinach. So here it's called the silver beet, but both are the same variety. So lots of greens I harvested from my garden, and I'm going to make the spinach sabji with a little bit of tadka, guys. Which is very good for our health also. And so let's go to our garden. Hey guys, welcome to my garden. So this is the spinach plant, and this one I grow from the seed. So I harvested a lot of spinach today, and so this full row is full of spinach. And here these are all the chili plants. I harvested more than 2 kgs of chilies this year, and still you can see the chili bhajia. So this is called chili bhajia, which is used for bhaji in South India. And so can you see, guys, lots of chilies, the big one. And here also, and here also. So lots of chili, and this chili is very spicy, guys. So yeah. So this is my pumpkin plant, and it's the winter is started here, guys. So can you see the big pumpkin in this plant? And I have 6 pumpkin. I harvested heaps of potatoes from this veggie patch. Still, the potato plant is growing. So, yeah, so these are the potatoes, and these pumpkins started becoming dry due to the weather. But still, I got plenty of pumpkin. And this is zucchini plant, guys. Can you see the flower? This is the beautiful flower of the zucchini. And so this is the zucchini. Can you see the big one? And can you see 2 more pumpkins are growing there? So this is the pumpkin plant. They spread all over the place. And this is my curry leaf plant. You have seen in most of the videos, I put lot of curry leaves, and the curry leaves is from this plant. So I put it in the pot, and yeah, this is very big plant, guys. So this is a quick video of what is currently growing in my garden. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.